Coming live on the 15th of July 2024. As you can see, I got this Poole pottery bird seagull blue, as you can see. It's made in, I believe it was made in the 60s, 70s, around that time. You've got the thing down there. It's in mint condition. It's nice. It's nice thing to have. It's I believe we bought it. We bought it for £3 to £4, and I think it's worth about £10 to £12. It's an investment in the future, and it looks nice. This is the thing, if you like antiques, it always pays to buy something that you like, that you can keep, than buying something that you don't want but you know it's worth something. Because if you're going to just wrap it up and leave it in the box for investment, then it's a shame. It's not a lot of money investment, but it's nice to know you bought something in the charity shop, you know money's going to the charity, and on top of that you're making a few pounds when you decide to sell it one day, or if not, pass it on to your loved ones, etc. I believe it's worth about £8 to £12. It could be more. Like anything, it goes up and down. Antiques, it's a nice thing to have, and you can collect them. You go into charity shops or any kind of places. Sometimes you see them quite cheap, and sometimes you can get them quite dear. But it depends what you want in your collection. As this is a nice little piece, and it's an investment for the future. I hope you like it, etc. The antiques channel on here. This is it. This is a nice little thing you can buy in a charity shop for £3 or £4, and then later on it will go up in price. Okay everyone, take care everyone. I hope you enjoy seeing this little bird, seagull or bird or what it is. It's a bird anyway. Alright, take care, bye.